Hello everyone. So today we're gonna build a counter using React. So the style of the counter it's gonna be like this one. So you can increase, decrease, or also reset. Just as simple as that. So we're gonna build this. We're gonna start by creating the React app. So we're gonna type the npx create React, my bad, React app, and count it, for example. And we're gonna wait for the creation of it, and we're back when it's done. So here, as you can see, it's done. So I've opened in VS Code the project, so count it, as you can see. So we can delete this one, app that test. We can delete all these ones. Gonna have an error here because our logo, we just deleted it. You can also delete this because we deleted the file report with vitals. So we can delete this. You can delete also this one. And here you can create app and you can launch it. So if you want to launch it, you can see the script here is to launch this one. So we open our command, npm start. It's gonna open up in our browser. Here we should have our application. Here you can see app. Great. So now we can define what is going to be our application. So we have a counter to create. So let's say counter and update counter. Oh, my bad. You state. And the initial value is going to be 0. So here, what we just created, we created a variable counter that is going to contain our value. Oops. It's going to contain our value of the counter, like this one here, when we increase, decrease, or reset. And update counter is going to be called when we increase, decrease, or reset. So if you want to keep it simple, we're not going to be focusing on the style of the counter, but more on the functionality of this counter. So we can create, we change the title as counter. We can also add a div. This one we put it inside, and then you can have here your for jQuery you can add here your counter. So if you I had afraid. So if you refresh, you see here your initial value is 0. But we also want to add to increase, decrease, or reset. So we create our buttons here. Increase. We can copy paste, reset, and decrease. For more clarity, we can add minus here and here a plus. Here reset. We're not gonna change that. So it's very simple. It's a very simple app. Again, we're not focusing here on the style of the application, but on the functionality. So what we're going to do here then, it's create our functions that are going to handle our clicks on increase, reset, and decrease. So we create a function const handle click handle increase, to be more precise, and we're gonna create our functions, and then we're gonna see the code inside it. Reset, handle decrease. So, as I told you, we want to update the counter inside increase, reset, and decrease. So we're just gonna take that, call it, and as value, if you want to increase it, you take the value of the counter and you add 1. So counter that 1 plus 1. Same thing in reset, but in reset you just have to update it to your initial value, which is 0. And in the handle reset, you're just gonna do counter minus 1, because as you do in increase you add 1, and in decrease you decrease of 1. Exactly. So now that we've created our functions, we need to link them with our buttons. So in React, we have the on click, and here we're just gonna pass it our function handle increase. We're gonna do the same with reset, handle reset, and handle decrease. So here you can see your counter is working. So again, if you want to style it up like this one, you can. It's very simple application to learn the basics. But in other videos, we're gonna see how to upgrade this style of applications, and hopefully I didn't scare you by using some prototypes or functions. Let me see in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.